written a letter to RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat in which he's accused the BJP of voter deletions and cash distribution. Now, Kejriwal asked Mohan Bhagwat if the RSS endorsed the wrongdoings committed by the BJP. He also questioned if the RSS condoned BJP leaders distributing money to buy votes and the large-scale deletion of Purvanchali and Dalit voters. Now, the BJP in turn accused Kejriwal and the AAP of aiding illegal Rohingya and Bangladeshi residents in Delhi with documents and funds to use them as a vote bank. Now, hitting back, Delhi BJP chief Virendra Sachdeva urged him to end corruption, stop making false promises and apologize for the dire state of the Yamuna. Listen in.
प्रवेश वर्मा जी वो अपने घर से काला धन बांट रहे थे और सीधे तौर पर कह रहे थे कि इस धन के बदले उनको वोट दिए जाएं। ये एब्सोल्युटली इलीगल है। सिमिलरली देखा गया कि भाजपा के कार्यकर्ताओं ने, भाजपा के पदाधिकारियों ने बहुत भारी तादाद में एप्लीकेशंस डाली हैं वोटर डिलीशन की। जैसे शहादरा में उन्होंने 11,018 एप्लीकेशन डाली उनके पदाधिकारी ने, और वैसे ही नई दिल्ली कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में भी 5,500 एप्लीकेशंस डाली गई वोट काटने के लिए और 7,500 डाली गई एप्लीकेशंस वोट जोड़ने के लिए। और ये दोनों तब जब समरी रिवीजन क्लोज हो चुका है, जब इलेक्शन कमीशन एक प्रक्रिया पूरी कर चुकी है, एक ड्राफ्ट लिस्ट बना चुकी है। तो ये बिल्कुल ही अलोकतांत्रिक और अवैध काम है और इसमें मोहन भागवत जी को जवाब देना चाहिए अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के लेटर का।
He should write same letter to Anna Hazare ji also. That does Anna Hazare ji support what he has been doing, and the way he has opened liquor shops outside Gurdwaras and Mandirs, the way he has made money out of the excise policy and liquor policy in Delhi, the way his member MLAs has torn the Quran Sharif or discredited the Quran Sharif. He should write similar letter to Anna Hazare ji also.
All right, we just heard all those reactions as well. RP Singh as well talking about what he makes of this particular political aspect of the war of words as well. Concerning the fact that, remember, here this is not the first time that we're looking at AAP and BJP and loggerheads, but Kejriwal has written to the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, essentially accusing the BJP of voter deletion. That is a big charge. In fact, he's gone on to state that this is cash to buy the votes. And Kejriwal asks the RSS chief, are wrongdoings endorsed by the RSS? And BJP hits back at Kejriwal by stating that AAP aiding illegal Rohingyas. That's been another flashpoint between both the parties, and the timing of the same is also crucial concerning Delhi polls that are around the corner. Tejaswi Purandare, my colleague, joins me for more. Tejaswi, very good afternoon. Big charge that has come through. But somewhere down the line, was this unexpected lines in terms of how this is politically panning out? Because it's very obvious the timing of this that has come into effect.
Well, yes, you see now there's this particular, war of words is escalating between the Delhi LG and Atishi as well. On one hand, where we are seeing the letter versus letter impact, and on the other hand, we are also seeing that Arvind Kejriwal has written a letter to RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, where in fact she has also asked several questions to the RSS chief, and in fact we'll have to see that how Congress, Aam Aadmi Party and BJP further respond to this. However, BJP has given a response and in fact have also stated this particular fact that Arvind Kejriwal first should ask to write the letter to Anna Hazare, and then several questions have been also asked by the BJP with regards to work done by the Aam Aadmi Party in the national capital. However, we'll also have to see that how this particular war of words escalates ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections. Back to you.
All right, Tejaswi. In fact, as you pointed out, I'm given to understand you're tracking more for us as far as what's happening clearly in the national capital, politically speaking. I'm going to come back to you quickly as far as that's also concerned. But before that, let's tell our viewers that yet another political battle has erupted between AAP and the BJP, and this time it's over demolition of religious structures in the national capital. Now, Delhi CM Atishi has written a letter to Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena and urged him to immediately stop the demolition of places of worship in Delhi, citing that it would hurt religious sentiments. But let's also tell you, as far as this is concerned, the LG's officers clapped back to Atishi and said that neither any place of worship are demolished, nor such file has been received by VK Saxena. The BJP slammed Delhi CM is resorting to cheap politics to divert Delhiites' attention to hide their party's failures. In addition, it has also cited the Lieutenant Governors issued strict instructions to the cops to maintain extra vigil against forces who may indulge in deliberate vandalism for political benefits. Tejashree, coming back to you, clearly this is another flashpoint. This is not the first time as well as far as this aspect is concerned. But what are we given to understand as to what really prompted this? All right, we'll try connecting with Tejashree if possible yet again, but this is clearly as far as ahead of Delhi Assembly polls. Yet again, we look at another flashpoint here. This is now based on religious structures where AAP and BJP are at loggerheads. As far as what Priyanka Kakkar had to make of this, let's listen it.
बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है कि एलजी साहब बीजेपी कार्यालय ऐसी बातें कर रहा है। पहले भी दिल्ली में उन्होंने बहुत सारे मंदिरों को, बहुत सारी रिलीजियस प्लेसेस को तुड़वाया है, काशी में भी तुड़वाया है। वैसा ही प्रयास वो दिल्ली में एक बार फिर से कर रहे हैं। जो आतिशी जी ने प्रॉपर उसमें लिस्ट डाली है जिन मंदिरों के ऑर्डर भाजपा से आए हैं, तो ऐसा हम होने नहीं देंगे।